Are you ready for this big opportunity? Because you can automatically get pre-approved for loans and credit cards, including credit lines, and you just have to fulfill one thing. Means you just have to fill one form and this thing will be done. Well, you heard it absolutely right. This is a massive opportunity for anyone with bad, worst, or no credit. And even if you have good or excellent credit, then this is indeed a very important video for you, because you can get thousands and thousands of dollars worth of cards, credit lines, and personal loans using this very important method. Remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of credit card with no credit check at all, and you can get it even with bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And please smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the very important opportunity for anyone who's looking to get pre-approved and pre-qualified offer from a number of banks and financial institutions, and you can get it pretty easily. You remember, this is a very important step. Not a lot of people know about it because they wonder that how my neighbor or someone I know is getting offers for pre-approval while I am not getting anything in my mail. Well, here is the opportunity. Look at this. This is from Opt Out Pre-Screen. So let me just tell you, this is a website known as Opt Out Pre-Screen, as you can see right here, and this is very important. I'm also going to paste the link of this in the video's description. You can simply go there, click on it, and then this website will open. But if you want to actually write it yourself, it's optoutprescreen.com, as you can see right here. According to them, optoutprescreen.com is the official consumer credit reporting industry website to accept and process requests from consumers to opt in or opt out of firm offers of credit or insurance. And this is important. What they do exactly, they share your credit worthiness or your credit data or your personal, not sure we should call it personal data, because of course they take it from Experian, Innovis, TransUnion, and Equifax, and they actually provide it to different financial institutions, and then they qualify you automatically for their credit cards, personal loans, and credit cards. Means you don't have to apply it like to know that what's the status. They'll automatically send you in your mail that either you're pre-approved or pre-qualified, and you already know that you're approved for it. So all you need to do just to apply for it and get the card or personal loan. But remember, if you're already opt in and you've got enough credit cards and personal loans, you can also opt out. Means those financial institutions will not send you any offers like this if you opt out, and both steps can be followed with this step that I'm going to show you right here. So as I mentioned earlier, that what are the benefits of receiving firm offers? Well, a firm offer of credit or insurance is defined as any offer of credit insurance to consumer that will be honored if the consumer is determined based on the consumer's credit report to meet the specific criteria used to select the consumer for the offer, subject to certain confirmation requirements. Well, Equifax and Experian, Innovis, and TransUnion, collectively the consumer credit reporting companies, encourage you to make an informed decision about receiving firm, pre-approved, and pre-screened offers of credit or insurance. There are several benefits of receiving firm offers. First, consumers are provided with product choices. Consumers learn about and have an opportunity to take advantage of offers that may be available to the general public. Firm offers help consumers to comparison shop, which may increase consumer buying power. Well, this is very important because remember, when you have three options, and I'll show you just in a bit because this is a step-by-step guide, so make sure you stay with us. So I'm going to paste the link in the video's description as well. It will take you to this website, and when you scroll down you will see this button right here. Click here to opt in or opt out. Let me just click right here. 3 2 1, click. So as soon as I click on it, what happens? This window will open. As you can see that this window says that please select from the options listed below to opt out of lists supplied for Equifax, Experian, Innovis, and TransUnion for firm offers of credit and insurance. Firm means that they're technically pre-approved offers. So right here they have three options. First, opt-in. If the consumer credit company maintains a credit file for you, is able to locate your credit file based on the information of you provide, your name may be eligible for inclusion on lists used by firm offers of credit or insurance. So what they will do exactly, that they will do a soft pull of your credit, and then they'll share that data with different financial institutions, and then the financial institution will actually base their decision on that data, and that's how you will receive pre-approved offers. So means you don't have to go to any website or contact any financial institution for pre-approved or pre-qualified offer. Right here, if you opt in, they will do it automatically, and you will receive automatic pre-approval from those financial institutions in your mailbox. Remember, if you receive an email that you are pre-approved or something, please be very cautious because there's a lot of scam. So you need to understand this. Then the second option is electronic opt-out for 5 years. If the consumer credit reporting company maintains a credit file for you, is able to locate your file based on the information you provide, your name will not be eligible for inclusion on lists used for firm offers on credit and insurance for 5 years. You can opt out for 5 years, or you can permanently opt out by clicking this option. So right here, if you're not enrolled or opt in already, you can just simply click right here and opt in, and you can opt in and get the pre-approved and pre-qualified offers from these financial institutions, which is a great plus for anyone who's looking to get pre-approved offers from these financial institutions. Remember that I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and that's how you will get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. If you have any questions at all, the comment section is open for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.